No, baby, there's a whole hodgepodge in every group. And you can't get around that. That is the truth of the matter. Booker Williams says she's just dealing with the wrong men. And he was talking about the young lady that we just watched on the video. D says it won't work. Cooperating with a black man is the only path, despite the fact that we are not the wealthiest or the most powerful men today. So that leads me to this. And this question is for you, Aisha. We did talk about this, and he's tapping into he's saying that the black men are not the wealthiest or the most powerful. So what happened to being able to not necessarily worry about what your spouse does? Because I was taught, and I truly believed it in my life, and I've seen it happen. I don't care if I'm dating a garbage man, as long as we are on one accord and we are equally yoked, we can build together. I don't necessarily have to worry about him being a garbage man or a mailman or whatever. The man is a good man. His heart is. It's not necessarily what he does that makes up a complete man. So are you thinking that this is a part of us trying to conform into that too? And now we're laying back on these lavender marriages because we don't want to deal with the men who may be garbage men.
Crazy, right? Like, powerful men. Are you kidding me? I don't believe that black men are not the
They're
powerful
part of
men.
America.
I'm like, maybe in America. Well, to me, you know what? It doesn't even really. Come on, like you just said, Lala. So am I saying my husband is only powerful if he's a CEO? Am I saying my husband is only powerful if he owns a business or something? No. What does that mean, right? Again, is it agreement that my husband is my husband and I will treat him as such and we'll work together regardless of his status, whether he's a CEO or not. So I think the narrative is happening in our culture here because of what we're allowing. Like, people are like really just throwing away what is important and just focusing on what is convenient. What is convenient? And convenience will only get you so far because we have to sacrifice. We have to do the right things to get what we want. If you want to be powerful, you become powerful by showing up for your family, by being there for your family, by sacrificing to the end for your family. That's what powerful means. But I think in this country, somehow it's being described to be people that have money, and because it's not our color, so it means they're powerful. Yeah, I agree. Being in finance, I can see where having money gives you that kind of power when it comes to money. But really, power is in the home, in the way we treat our families, in our family being know that they can depend on us, that will be there for them. That is powerful, because somebody may have money, but he's not powerful because his kids don't even want him around because he's half the time he's not even at home. That's not power, right? So I think that we have to really think this through, brothers and sisters. We shouldn't allow this lavender thing to become normal in our community. We should not allow it to be normal and think, well, no, no. You can do what you want personally, that's okay, but do not make it normal.